I use these Pyrex measuring cups every single day. I love that I have two of them so I can measure different ingredients in them, or if one's in the dishwasher, I still have one accessible. And the two sizes are great as well. I usually use the big one, but the small one is fantastic too for wet and dry measuring. I love that they are glass, so nothing will leach out of it, and they're very easy to see through. They really stand the test of time. I can put boiling water in these. I can put freezing liquids in them, stick them in the dishwasher. They won't crack. They really stand up to all the use and abuse. Now, I actually just replaced a 15-year-old Pyrex cup I used to have because the one thing is this writing does come off over time. I could have written the measurements back on it, but I did retire that one to become a garden cup for fertilizer. I could have also recycled it, but yes, this writing will wear off over time, especially if you shove it in your dishwasher as much as I do to mine. So that's the only thing to know. And with that, I think you know all there is you need to know about these wonderful measuring cups. I hope you love them in your home as much as I do in mine.